Hold on, little guy. You are too far out of the water.
This bag will have to do until we get home.
Welcome to your new home, buddy. Wow, you were absolutely starving, weren't you? Look at that. You really trust me. Oh my God, you are having babies! This tank is way too small for all of you.
Here is your massive new home, everybody.
Beautiful.